Hi, friends. We're going to read The Vampire Bugs Were Listening. Can Stories Wake Up Backyard Magic? By Nana Tracy, Elena Espinosa, and Layla Espinosa. All rights reserved. This book is dedicated to every child whose imagination turns ordinary afternoons into extraordinary adventures. May you always notice the tiny wonders hiding beneath the rocks, fluttering through the flowers, and buzzing around your backyard. And may your stories always be magical enough to come true. One sunny morning, Elena sat under the big oak tree with little Layla beside her. I have the silliest pretend story ever, Elena announced when Layla clapped. It has vampire bugs. Vampire bugs, Mama laughed from the porch. They have tiny wings and tiny fangs, but they're not scary. Layla giggled. Tell me more. As Elena told her story, they searched under rocks, peeked behind flowers, and looked beneath crunching leaves. I wonder what tiny friends we'll find waiting for us, Elena whispered. Suddenly, a tiny pill bug rolled into a ball. Pop! Out popped two little bat wings and two tiny vampire fangs. I knew it, giggled Elena. The little vampire pill bug squeaked, Squeakola! Then he sneezed, Achoo! Instead of scary bats, tiny flower petals flew everywhere. The girls laughed so hard they nearly rolled across the grass. Just then, bzzz, a ladybug landed nearby. Pop! Tiny vampire wings, tiny vampire fangs. The ladybug looked at the girls and said, I still only eat aphids. Whew, said Elena. Next came a fuzzy caterpillar. Pop! Little vampire wings, little vampire fangs. I'm still hungry, said the caterpillar. For leaves. Crunch, crunch, crunch. High above them, a dragonfly zoomed by. Pop! Bat wings! On top of its regular wings. I have too many wings, cried the dragonfly. It flew in tiny circles. Elena and Layla giggled. Then two busy little ants marched past. Pop! One of them grew bat wings, tiny fangs. I'm still working, the vampire ant puffed. I have crumbs to carry. The vampire ant picked up cracker crumbs twice its size. A butterfly floated down. Pop! Bat wings, tiny vampire fangs. The butterfly blinked. I already had wings. Now it had extra wings. It looked wonderfully ridiculous. A fuzzy bee buzzed over. Pop! Little vampire wings, tiny fangs. I still like flowers, buzzed the bee. Not next. Elena and Layla sighed with relief. Then the praying mantis appeared. Pop! Bat wings, tiny fangs. It folded its arms. I look very dramatic. You really do, whispered Elena. Let's see who's hiding under this rock. Elena carefully lifted a smooth garden stone. Wiggle, wiggle. Pop! A rosy earthworm had tiny vampire wings and tiny vampire fangs. I still like dirt, wiggled the worm. Good, giggled Elena. Mama hung a brand new hummingbird feeder outside the front room window. Before long, zip! A hummingbird zoomed in. Pop! Tiny bat wings, tiny vampire fangs. I still only drink flower nectar. The hummingbird zipped away so fast the girls thought they were imagining it. We forgot our flower pots. The girls picked up the two terracotta pots they had painted for Nana and Mimi. Each pot had tiny fingerprint ladybugs. When Elena peeked underneath, pop! An earwig with tiny vampire wings looked up. I was just hiding in the shade. Everyone breathed a happy sigh. Soon the whole backyard was filled with silly vampire bugs. They flapped, they buzzed, they rolled, they crawled. Nobody wanted blood. They wanted leaves, flowers, seeds, and snacks. That's much better, said Elena. The little vampire pill bug rolled into a tiny ball again. Pop! The wings disappeared. Pop! The fangs disappeared. One by one, every insect turned back into its regular self. Maybe it was just magic, Elena smiled. That evening, Mama tucked Elena and Layla into bed. You know, Mama smiled, your pretend stories are getting very interesting. Elena grinned. They're just pretend. Maybe, she whispered. Your stories are just so good they decide to come true. Outside, one tiny vampire pill winked. Then, pop! It rolled into a tiny ball and disappeared. Thank you for joining Elena and Layla on their magical adventure. Stories have the power to spark imagination, open our hearts, and help us see the magic all around us. For more like this, visit keepsakeverse.com or on YouTube, Keepsake Verse for Littles.